If you are not following these steps every time you get paid, you are wasting your time and efforts. In this video, I will give you a payday checklist that you can follow each time you get paid. No matter how much you make, you will always feel like you need to make more. In this video, I will discuss 5 things you must do each time you get paid. I will explain exactly what you should do every time you get paid, the best way to spend your paycheck, and a bonus tip: how can you afford your daily needs and still manage to save money for rainy days. Stay tuned till the end of this video to find out the bonus tip for having an amazing paycheck routine. Do you know anything about squirrels? Our cute squirrels are quite smart in planning. When the time is right, they start saving food and storing it in safe spots. Basically, they are dividing their food stash into various parts, just like what you should do with your paycheck. Of course, there is more to our checklist and a secret item at the end that guarantees your success in managing your paycheck. The first item on our checklist you should absolutely do whenever you get paid is to create a monthly expense sheet. A great spreadsheet has columns such as income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, savings, and more. In fact, I will tell you how you can get a monthly expense spreadsheet for free. I put the link in the description of this video, so you can easily download it. Now that you have an expense sheet, it is time to go squirrel mode. By the way, a sub to the channel would mean a lot to me. The second step is to find out your expenses. Think about your paycheck. How much of your paycheck should be spent on fixed expenses, such as gym membership, rent, subscriptions, and insurance, are your monthly payments. And you find out the exact amount and put it in your spreadsheet. Now, find out your variable expenses. Things like food, transportation, a night out with friends, and buying that pair of sunglasses that you have always wanted. All of these are your variable expenses. Put all your variable expenses in your monthly expense sheet. Now, you have your financial baseline. A financial baseline is like the least amount of nuts a squirrel needs to live each month. Do you like squirrels? Let me know in the comments. I want to tell you a word, and I want you to think about it. The word is...
Drum roll, please.
Comfort. Being comfortable is great, right? Knowing the least amount of money you need each month to live comfortably feels great. If you want to be comfortable and feel free about your money, you must start an emergency fund. An emergency fund helps you on rainy days. You might lose your job, get into an accident, or need an extra amount of money at any time. Put aside at least 10% of your monthly income into your emergency fund. Over time, the money in your emergency fund grows and makes you, and the squirrels, happy. A good emergency fund should cover your monthly expenses for at least 6 months. This means that if you make $4,000 each month, you need to have $24,000 in your emergency fund. Did you know that 77% of American adults have some form of debt? Maybe you spent money on some luxury clothes to keep up with the trends, or just bought a brand new car. Pay off your high-interest debts. The sooner you can get rid of your debts, the better your financial life will be. Just like a sub to the channel that motivates me to make more content for you guys and helps you to become a nut master. Let's get back to our squirrel story. Squirrels save their food in various places, such as tree trunks. They use some of their food to live and save the rest strategically. They help other squirrels in need. It is like they are dividing their paychecks into different parts. Just like the squirrels, you need to save a part of your paycheck. A rule of thumb says save 10% of your monthly salary. Saving 10% of your paycheck each month leads to a huge sum at the end of each year. You might ask, what is the best way to save your money? The best way on earth is to buy gold. You might even call it an investment. It is both. Buying gold is both investing your money and saving it at the same time. Now, it is time for the last tip. It is a game changer, so get ready for it. The best way to manage your paycheck so you can live with great peace of mind is by following this amazing formula and applying it to your paycheck. The magical paycheck formula is the 10% of your paycheck goes toward your emergency fund. Another 10% goes to your 401k investments, or you can simply buy gold. The last 30% of your paycheck goes to paying your high-interest debts and also buying that pair of gorgeous sunglasses you like. Just make sure to use this formula for a couple of months so you can get on track. By following these 6 steps, you can create a paycheck routine that helps you manage your money much more easily. Month after month, you will become better at saving and spending your money, and you can customize your paycheck routine. By the way, I also put this formula at the end of the monthly expense sheet. Check it out and see if it helps you manage your money better. You should take a closer look at your money habits. 7 out of 10 people have bad money habits. Poor money habits lead to loss of money and wealth. If you want to know if you have any of the infamous poor money habits, make sure to check out my video about money habits that make you poor. I will see you in the comments in the next video. Keep learning, keep saving, keep spending.